You're watching Level TV with the brand new Panasonic TZ31 Lumix camera, which has a 20 times optical zoom, which is quite amazing. One of the main reasons why my TZ7, which is now 3 years old, has to go. This one only had 12 times optical zoom, which is also amazing, but well, 20 times optical zoom is pretty nice on a compact camera. And of course we have 14.1 megapixel GPS wide angle with I think even 24 millimeters and a touch screen, and it takes also 3D pictures. But let's unbox the little fella and see how it looks like in white. This is the white version. So we have the short little DVD for the TZ30 and 31, which has the Lumix map tool integrated, which I don't know what it's for, but we will see when we try it out. Then we have, of course, here the manual, which is not that interesting. A short little cord for the camera, so you can use it anywhere, just having it dangling around your hand. A short little USB cable for charging, because now you can only charge the camera, or now you can even charge the camera over USB, and you can of course buy yourself an external charger also. The charger here, the USB charger, has 800 milliamps, so that's not bad, but you can of course use also your other chargers which may have more milliamps. Then we have the battery, which is like in my first generation, the BCG10E, has 895 milliamps, and I will use my first packs also that I have from this one, so they're compatible from the last few years. That's quite nice by Panasonic. So another reason why you should buy yourself a new Panasonic when your old one is too old for you. And last but not least, of course, the camera is inside the box, which is as I said, white. On the top you can see we have still stereo microphones. Then we have the speaker. We have a nice little wheel here, so you can choose your mode. For example, you can just choose a 3D mode. Here the little dot gives you the hint which one you will use. Then we have a two times pressable button here. Of course you can zoom in, zoom out on the top right here. You can shoot your movies by hitting this button on the top, not on the back like in the old times, and you can hit the camera or turn the camera on and off right there. On the back you can choose between photos, taking or watching. Watching is the little play button, of course. Exposure map, some buttons which feel pretty nice and sturdy here on the bottom, and it's a touch screen as I said before, so you can have even more options right there. On the side here's the golden connector for your USB cable, which I will take actually out of the little foil here that it was in, so you can see how it looks like when it's plugged in. There you go. The cable is not that long, but it's long enough. Then we have, of course, HDMI, mini HDMI, and you can put your strap right around here on the side. On the other side there's nothing except for two screws. On the bottom you can of course put in your battery right there, which looks like this. Just slide it in, there you go. And then the SD or SDHC or SDXC card on the bottom also. Then we have here the little stand and the name. So if you turn the device on, you will see that it goes out quite fast, and then if you start to zoom in, which I guess doesn't work yet if you haven't set it up, for example for the language, you will see that it goes out quite fast and far, but we will of course show you that in the detailed video. And the display is not that bad. The sun is shining directly now, you can't see that much, but I guess it doesn't have the maximum brightness set right now, so we will show to you that of course all in more videos on Level TV. Thank you much for watching. From now on this will be my camera I'm shooting the videos with, so if you want to ask me any questions for it, go ahead. I will have it hopefully for a few years, and this one is just, well, going into the box. Till next time, please tune in again. My name is Balázs Gál. Till next time. And maybe one more thing, not like with Apple, but here we have a Casio device which is about the same, the Exilim ZR200, which has more optical zoom, less optical zoom with 12.5, but it has more zoom digitally, which goes up to 25 times. And on the back it looks like this. In thickness they are about the same. The Casio is maybe a little bit slimmer. They are both white right now. And on the top they have of course different buttons on both devices, but they are about the same price range. The case here is not that bad, it shoots pictures pretty fast, but I don't think it has a 3D mode. And before we go off and put this TZ7 in the box, you can see here actually not that much has changed in terms of case, but of course we'll keep the new one because it has more optical zoom, it's faster, lighter and better. Till next time, again, my name is Balazs Gal for Endeavor TV, thank you much for watching.